Malamang po sa mga araw na lang po ang bibilangin natin at lalabas na ang unang mga warrants of arrest. At sinabi po nga po ng Pangulo, nung siya'y nag-report sa ating mga kababayan last week, na ang lahat ng dapat managot, mananagot na. At sabi nga niya, bilang na ang masasayang araw nilang lahat, sabi ng Pangulo ito, at tuloy-tuloy na po ito. Wala pong sasantuhin ang gobyerno, wala pong sisinuhin, base lang po sa ebidensyang ating makakalap kung saan po tayo dadali ng ebidensya, doon po tayo pupunta. And I would just like to briefly describe to you what the referral contains. First of all, the referral is a collection of facts. As you can see, now these are the documents that are from DPWH. Mostly these are contracts of the companies that have been alleged to be connected to former Congressman Zaldico, namely SunWest Corporation and Hightone Construction. No, and we are here to submit to the Ombudsman the contracts from 2016 of these corporations up to 2025. So these are, as you can see, madaming kontrata po ito. No, and sinusumiti po natin ito sa Office of the Ombudsman para kanilang mas malalim na busisiin sa kanilang investigasyon. No, ikalawa, nag-submit, sinama din po namin sa referral ang sworn testimonies ng sa Blue Ribbon hearing sa Senate related to both former Speaker Romualdez and former Congressman Zaldico, specifically the testimony of I'm not sure of the rank, but I think it's Sergeant Gutesa, no? Because these are sworn testimonies under oath sa Blue Ribbon Committee, and they are linked with our investigation and also the ICI's investigation to the recommendations that we have made in this referral for former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Congressman Zaldico.